Live viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Instagram video was not playing. So for that, here you can see the video was not playing. I was choosing another reel also, another video also, but it was not playing. So for that, we have a small problem of just check your internet connection. So I was checking my internet connection and I was turning on my internet connection. After that, long press of on your Instagram account and click on app info, and here you need to choose check all the permissions, and here we need to click on storage and cache and clear the cache data, and go to Play Store and update your Instagram account. Here I was updating my Instagram account. After these things, your Instagram problem will be sorted out. Thank you.